This activity under reading says, read Planting a Rainbow and then play word match. Every time a choice board box has a picture in it, that is also a link to another website. So if you click on it, then another link will pop up like this. And you can click on that too. See how up here it opened another tab? This is where you can listen to the book. It's going to read it to you, and you can see here the book's about 6 minutes. Watch the whole thing. I love this book. Then, when you're done, there is a teaching book too. Go over here to where there's a little picture of a book. So this one has a picture of like a video. This one has a picture of a book. Click on that. And there's another book, a teaching book called It Could Still Be a Flower. You can try reading this by yourself. You can have an adult or a stronger reader read it to you, or you can have the computer read it to you.
Do you have a favorite kind of flower?
Then, over here,
click on matches. Match all the words to one color and paint them.
so over here, there's a little puzzle piece, because this is like a game or a puzzle called Word Match. If you want her to read the instructions again, you can click here.
Read the clue below. Click on the word match. Match all the words to one color.
Here's the clue. So it's going to tell you something about a special word, a fancy topic word, from the book that you just read. Here's the clue about the word we're looking for. We're looking for one of these words.
Blue.
Let's see. Here's the clue.
Short woody bushes. Favorite.
Does favorite mean short woody bushes? Remember, wood is like madera. Wood.
Bloom.
Does bloom mean short woody bushes? When you read the book, you will have more information about these words.
Shrubs.
Does shrubs mean short woody bushes? Is that what the book said?
Buds.
Does buds mean short woody bushes?
Soil.
Does soil mean short woody bushes? No, we know what soil is.
Wildflowers.
Are wildflowers short woody bushes? I read the book and I know that it's shrubs, so I'm going to click on it.
Nice work.
You can
Young flowers or
see
leaves before they open.
there's a picture underneath that you're going to build as a puzzle once you figure out all the words. So here's the next clue.
Young flowers or leaves before they open.
This quiz might be kind of tricky. Try your best and see what happens.